The growth of these marijuana stocks may surprise you. 2 large-cap pot stocks to watch. While the continuous annual growth rate is just a projection, it can be used to find marijuana stocks to watch. When using this indicator, we also have to research other information about a given marijuana stock. This includes both a company's financials as well as its future plans. For example, a company like KushCo Holdings Inc. or OrganiGram Holdings Inc. may have a higher continuous annual growth rate, but their financial statements may show otherwise. It is always important as investors to utilize all of the information we have to make a decision. This means having a rough idea of where the industry is headed as well as the goals of the individual pot stock. This can help to avoid unexpected volatility in our portfolios. As far as large market cap pot stocks go, there are only a handful of choices. Pot stock to watch: Kronos Group Inc. Kronos Group Inc. may catch a bad rap, but it is one of the quickest growing marijuana stocks in the industry. A recent report showed that Kronos stock could see a continuous annual growth rate of 104% over the next 5-year period. In 2019, Kronos stock reported around $24 million in sales Canadian. In 2024, Wall Street predicts that the pure play pot stock will post sales of around $846 million Canadian. As usual, we have to remember that this is a long-term projection. A lot of this is based on the speculative idea that the derivatives market in Canada will grow substantially in the next few years. Kronos Group has been focused heavily on the increasing size of derivative demand. As you may well remember, Kronos Group received almost $1.8 billion in exchange for a 45% equity stake from Altria Group Inc. 2 years ago. Since then, the company has essentially been able to embark on any expansion project it likes. Pot stock to watch number 2, Curaleaf Holdings Inc. Curaleaf Holdings Inc. is one of the largest MSOs in the U.S. cannabis industry. After posting revenue north of $250 million last year, the company began to receive a large amount of critical appeal. Analysts have stated that by 2024, Curaleaf stock could report sales of roughly $2.6 billion. If it was able to achieve that, it would post a continuous annual growth rate of around 60%. Although its business model alone is quite profitable, a lot of future potential of Curaleaf stock comes from acquisitions. Earlier this year, Curaleaf completed the buyout of Cura Partners, which owns several leading cannabis brands. In addition, this comes with the distribution and manufacturing expertise that Cura Partners holds. If all that wasn't enough, Cura owns the Select brand, which is well known in California and has received a lot of positive attention. After also acquiring the MSO Grassroots, Curaleaf became the largest MSO in terms of its open locations. As of 2020, that number sits at 91. For its sheer size, many believe that Curaleaf stock is a solid play for investors with confidence in MSO pot stocks.